Hi Mayank, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So it has been almost like 2 months that you have been here. We are glad that you are here, working with us. Anything that you'd like to share on your experience here at Comsense?
So first of all, thank you for having me as an intern at Comsense. I had a very good experience over here. Basically, the internship provided me hands-on experience, which helped me to know what are my strengths and skills, strengths and weaknesses. And apart from these, I means after knowing my strengths and weaknesses, I will able to implement it in my college life, so that I will be focusing on my weaknesses. And apart from these, the work environment over here was very fantastic.
What specifically is there one thing that you liked about this environment here?
So the best part of working over here is that people are very nice and supportive. I think that is the main reason everyone means like to work over here.
How different is working in an office versus whatever we have done until now?
I think it is very difficult to explain between both the stuffs. It is merely any experience and feeling about how.
Anything that you'd like to say to the team or everybody here at Comsense in terms of any suggestions or any good words that you might have for anybody or everybody?
So everyone is supportive over here, and I think that is the best part which I found it over here. The team which I was working, they were very cooperative with me. I think the work culture over here is just fantastic, and everyone is supportive. So basically, I think there is no need to have any change. Just like how it is going on, I think everyone should be fine with that.
Right. So if given an opportunity, you'll come back here to work?
Yeah, I will consider that option.
So it was great having you for the past 2 months. Really appreciate the time that you have spent, and we hope to see you sometimes again.
Thank you, sir.